Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix View TV remote not working or responding, battery sensor and factory reset fix. Fix 1 is replace the batteries. Remove the battery from the remote, then take out the old batteries. Insert a new pair of batteries, making sure the plus and minus ends are aligned correctly. Then close the battery cover and test the remote. Second one is power reset the remote. Remove both batteries from the remote, then press and hold the power button for 20 to 30 seconds. Then reinsert the batteries. Check if the remote is working. Third one is check the TV's IR sensor. Locate the IR sensor on the front of your UTV, then remove any object blocking the sensor. Clean the sensor gently with a microfiber cloth. Point the remote directly at the TV from about 6 to 10 feet away. Fourth one is restart the View TV. Turn off the TV, unplug the TV from the power outlet, then wait 60 seconds. Then plug the TV back in and turn it on. Then test the remote. Fifth one is repair the Bluetooth remote. Stand near your UTV, then press and hold the home button and left arrow button together for 20 seconds. Then wait for the remote to enter pairing mode. Let the TV connect to the remote, then test the remote to see if it is working. Thanks for watching.